second day of Laag in Swindon and we're here in the city. Hindi ko na na-close yung vlog ko kagabi kasi we were so tired. So today we're in the city of Swindon. We're all about. And we're inside the mall, the Crossings Mall. And kain na naman. And I got a new ear pierce, as you can see. This is Lexi, may inaanak. Ayan, ang ganda no. Tingnan mo. She liked Claire's too much that she bought all of her stuff in there. How old are you, Lexi? 9. Huh? 9. She's a bit shy. But she's pretty. Look at her. She's all grown up. And this one also is Eros, the brother. All grown up also. Do you have a girlfriend, Eros? Yeah. You sure? Does he have? Eros says none, but then the sister says otherwise. Yes, he has. This is the food court, so we'll be eating lunch at 1 o'clock in the evening. So we're just waiting for our friends, their parents, and their aunt and uncle. Nag-order pa. Maya guys, ano ko kayo. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung laki pala ng Swindon. Punta sana kami ng ewan ko kung pupunta kami ng strawberry farm, but that's what they said. Pero titingnan natin kasi umuulan and it's late. May duty pa yung isa.
Iba-vlog mo.
Ayan, kumakain na kami. Tingnan mo, pinispoil nila ako masyado dito.
Hello.
Another day, second day of Laag.
Can we open this one
sige,
more so we
open
can
mo.
see what is inside?
In-order nila sa akin, caramel lang. Ewan ko, ayaw na.
Order pa siya.
Tapos nag-order pa si Amol.
Kasi nga kailangan, pakainin ko rin sila. Alam mo.
Ako na ang tataba.
Yan o. Ito yung mga ko dito. Ang pinatirahan ko dito ng libre. Kaya tapos sila pa yung magpapakain sa akin. Nakakahiya
Ano ba yan,
naman.
Amor?
Nakakahiya naman. Eros, you're not eating pork anymore or any meat?
No. I just don't eat pork.
Why?
First of all, pork is pig, so it's in my birthday, so I don't eat pig.
Is a what?
Pig and pig has fat, so like, why would you want to eat fat and stuff? And that's not really fat. Is not good for your body and stuff, so that's why I don't eat it.
And one more thing, what else? You have watched something
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
YouTube. Oh.
Yeah,
The killing of the pig?
yeah, the killing of the pig.
But they
The
pray
pig.
before they kill it.
The pig are raised up for us to have meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they even chop up big organs and stuff.
they're killing the pig.
It's not only the pig that's been killed, it's also chicken,
Chicken.
fish,
But chicken tastes good.
fish.
Pork tastes good.
Yeah.
How they kill you.
Anyway,
It depends on how you kill the pork.
children nowadays are very conscious with their diet, I think.
So
Yeah.
you must have choose
Agreed to that.
halal.
Yeah, because it's not looking healthy.
Hello! Welcome to Asyenda nila ni Dina. We are going to... Ayan, ano pangalan ng lugar?
Latmit Strawberry Farm in
In
Swindon.
Swindon. We're going to pick some strawberries. We will see if we will be getting some. Guys, pasok na tayo sa strawberry farm. Sana meron pa.
Sana meron pa.
Oo, ito yung asyenda ng dalawang yan, oh.
Yeah.
Kaya nakikiano kami. Ay, basta dito.
Bakit ka dumaan?
Ewan ko. Ay, oo. Ay, oo, dito sana pala tayo dumaan.
Tayo dumaan. Teka. Mahangin sa asyenda.
Mahangin ang asyenda, Dina Mayora.
Kaya nga.
Ayan.
Nasa iyo pa ang kita naman yung pink.
Sus, Maria. Ayan o, may mga pumpkin sila. Tsaka, ito yung price ng strawberry. Tingnan muna natin. Ayan, Latmead Strawberry Farm. So, we will see if magkano or ilan yung makukuha natin. Kuha tayo ng basket.
Oh, Heart, come and pick up some strawberries for me, please.
Come on, Mario. Kumuha ka na.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon. How much
You'll
for
pick
this?
up for the no 6 pounds for 6
For when we fill this up.
So 650 a kilogram.
Six
kilos,
fifty.
so 6.
Yeah, if you fill to the top, it's 650.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. All right.
Oh, here,
So,
here, right here, here.
oh, here. All right.
Yeah.
We're going in this way.
Where's Eros? Si Eros.
Where's Eros?
Eros.
We have strawberry jams in here.
Yeah, so if you fill to the
Fresh strawberries.
So these are the jams. Yes. Homemade cakes. 3 for 5.50. All right. Oh, mahangin. Oo, kailangan. Uy, kailangan kainin din natin. Kumain tayo habang magpapakabusog.
Going to
Strawberry, ano ba yan? So mahangin. Ganito ba talaga dito sa England? It's so mahangin. Ay, matamis. Matamis. Yeah. It tastes real good.
here. We have lots of red ones.
Red ones underneath.
Red ones here.
strawberries, you know?
Yes, I know. You
We
know?
have lots of.
Mga gano. May nakuha ko malaki. Ha?
Space mo dyan sa bag.
Oo nga, ilagay natin sa bag. Ako may camera, nakakahiya. Si Rhea talaga, maano to, may influensya. Binibigyan na naman akong idea.
Ano idea mo?
Sabi niya, ilagay ko na sa bag ko. Ito talaga, gusto talaga akong mapreso dito sa Swindon eh. Guys, kuha tayo ng strawberry. Kuha tayo ng mga malalaki. Ayan o. Oh. Look at this. Ako, ang hangin naman. Parang ayaw tayong pakuhanin. Ang ganda, ang dami. Tikman muna natin, guys. Tumikim na ako kanina. Ititikim na naman ako ng iba pa. So sweet. Guys, look what I've got. Woo! Strawberry galore.
There's loads of strawberries out there. There's
Yeah. I thought we didn't go to the
To the end first, so we got in it first.
you
and
get
we
these
just got the
small ones.
ones.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll see how much this costs now. Because it's by kilogram. By how much per kilogram? Is $9.49 for that.
I've never seen them so stacked.
I can I have a bag too?
Yeah, sure.
Mars, how much you paying?
Nine something.
9 pounds. That's not bad, Moss.
Eros, ano yung hawak mo ito? Lagay ko sa plastic yung sa...
Yep.
Thank you.
Would you like your seats?
No
Fresh
thanks.
from the
Ay, sorry, Mars.
lots of strawberries.
Lexi, get it.
Saan yun?
Just wash it.
No, you could change this with this one.
Can I get one free, please?
Yeah.
Also getting one. I bought 16 pounds. I'll give one for my wife.
May miyasa ka, hawakan
Take the whole
ka.
basket, boy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good time.
Yeah.
Bye. We'll be back again.
This first time
We've got free. We've got one free.
The first time.
Mine is too big.
You should always quit
Hindi lalabit.
It's a nice place.
Yeah. And then strawberries are nice. Sweet.
Yeah. But only strawberries, no other.
As we have blackberries, raspberries, as well as raspberries.
So we have promo
Oh, on
next
that
time.
side,
Like 2
oh.
baskets for $6.50.
Yeah.
Next time.
Oh, the
right?
raspberries on that side.
Oh, raspberries on that
See the
side.
raspberry.
Can we get
Mommy,
enough of
raspberry.
strawberry? Yeah.
This is one of the. Mommy, this is one. Mommy, Mom, this is one of those. Mommy,
Just say, Mom, Mom, Mom.
yeah. Mom, this is one of the best, worst strawberry I've ever tasted.
What?
But where there's worst? Because I just don't like strawberries. So this is the best strawberry. But it's the worst strawberry.
Nakalibre pa kami, guys.
Like,
Oo nga, oh. Meron din silang park, parang ano dyan, laruan, oh.
ano ba yung mayroong
Ang ganda nung ano dito, mag-picnic pag ano.
Oh, pwede mag-picnic nga rito. Oh.
Yung pag gusto mo lang mag-relax, nature.
Yes. May blackberries din sila doon. Ayan. Uwi na kami, tapos na kami sa asyenda ng mga ni Lina Mayora at saka ni Jeremiah. Uwi na kami.
Oh, nagustuhan mo ba, Amor?
Oh, ang ganda ng asyenda niyo, Mare.
Alam mo naman,
May CR din kayo dyan.
pag first time, ganito ginagawa namin, may nagpapa-take home kami ng pumpkin, so pwede mo na iuwi yan.
Iuwi ko sa ano, Norris?
Yan, oo. Free
Ano
for
ba yan?
Kaya nga tatlo dyan, kaya nga
special kasi ikaw eh, kaya ano,
Lexi, join them.
girl power.
1, 2, 3. Good.
Ang lamig na.
Malamig na, no?
Next stop is Coat Water. Wow! Yak yung mga nasa ano. Hello, pigeons.
Amare,
Mare?
you like
I think I like to get a latte. You want some tea?
satay?
So which one am I going to get?
Hindi, pwede mo namang ano yun eh. Oh, ano?
Coffee time.
Yeah, coffee time.
Yes. coffee time and latte time and
Coffee time at cold
And-
water.
Kuhanan
At
mo
cold
si
water.
Amore dito. Maganda yung pinaka-ano niya tapos niya.
Saan ba si Jeremiah?
Kaya mo na, hintayin mo lang siya.
Ano kayang ginagawa ng babae?
Much later.
Just got home from La Quatsa. Strawberry picking, tsaka ano pa. Saan pa ba tayo nagpunta? Doon sa cold water. Ang lamig sa labas. Oo, kakain na naman kami. Ewan ko ba dito sa kanila, wala man lang walang diet. Si Eros hindi sumama. Yan,
Napaka-bigat. Ano naman?
Kain na naman yung mga to.
Bigat ka ng dahilan. Huwag mo nang ano eh.
Yun nga eh. At least merong ebidensya. Hi guys. Nakauwi na kami kanina pa. So, it's late already. It's about like I think 9 o'clock in the night. Yes, so I'll be going off to bed now and i-close ko na to yung vlog. It was a long day and it was fun really. And hindi man lang ako napagod. Masaya siya at kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko and nag-enjoy ako. But tonight I will be sleeping early because I will be up early in the morning to go back to Norwich. So, ito yung ano ko. So, na ako, skincare na ako and yun. So, matutulog na ako and see you in my next vlog. So, I do hope you like this video and please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching and good night.